My phone is not working. The screen is black. I press the button, but nothing happens. No sound, no light, no power. My phone is dead. I feel lost without my phone. Good morning, Emma. Why do you look worried? My phone is broken. It will not turn on. Did you charge it? Yes, but still, nothing. Maybe the battery is broken. Let's go to the repair shop. We start walking. Without my phone, I feel nervous. I cannot check the time. I cannot listen to music. Look around. The morning is beautiful. I look up slowly. I see the street. I see people. I see shops. Everything feels new. I smell warm bread. Soft, fresh bread. It smells so good. We pass a bus. The bus is full of people. I never noticed this before because I always look at my phone. The sky is bright and blue. The trees are tall. Birds are singing. The air feels fresh. For the first time, I feel calm. We stop for coffee. The coffee is hot. The steam rises slowly. I take a sip. It is bitter, but smooth. I hear people talking. I hear people laughing. It feels alive, not like a screen, but real. We walk again. I see flowers. Red, yellow, pink. So many colors. So bright. So beautiful. I hear water. Splash, splash. Children laugh. A guitar plays. A dog runs fast. The world feels warm. The world feels alive. We reach the fruit market. Red apples. Yellow bananas. Green grapes. Fresh and colorful. I touch them. I smell them. They feel real. Maybe this broken phone is a small gift. We arrive at the repair shop. Let's go inside. Let me check. He inspects the phone. It is only the battery. I can fix it. It will take 1 hour. 1 more hour without a phone. 1 more hour to see the world. Today, I saw bread. I saw flowers. I saw children. I heard music. I felt fresh air. I looked at the sky. Phones break, but life continues. After 1 hour, repairman, here you are. New battery. Your phone works now. The screen turns on, bright and alive. But I feel different. Before, I felt lost without my phone. Now, I feel free with or without it. Life is bigger than a small screen. The evening sky is beautiful. Orange, pink, and soft blue. Today, I learned to look up, not down. My phone broke, but I saw the real world. A broken phone gave me a full day. Life is all around us, every day. Thank you for watching. If you liked this slow English practice video, please like, share, and subscribe.